INTE-AUTO S series half-moon connectors are robust, compact, and lightweight. They are designed the polarization by a stepped insert or a half-moon. It is perfect for ensuring proper alignment and preventing incorrect connections. They are ideal for applications demanding high connection reliability in tight spaces. Some typical applications include test and measurement, oscilloscopes, signal generators, and network analyzers, audio-video, cameras, microphones, mixing consoles, and broadcasting equipment, telecommunications, network hardware and other telecommunication equipment, aviation and aerospace, cockpit electronics, communication systems, and various sensors, industrial control, and machinery and robotic systems. S-Series half-moon connectors with the following main features: push-pull self-latching connection system, 2. Solder contacts, 3. Multi-pull up to 14 contacts, 4. Polarization by stepped insert, half-moon for alignment, 5. 360-degree screening for full EMC shielding, 6. High-density installation for saving space. Choose INTE-AUTO S series half-moon connectors for precision-engineered connectivity.